Okay, we are one funnel away, day by day, day 15, the halfway point. Exciting, right? Okay, so we're talking about OTO 1, one-time offer number 1, the upsell page. So your first page of your funnel is your landing page, page 1. Page 2 is your OTO 1, your one-time offer number 1 upsell page, the done with you product. So this day you're creating that upsell page. So what's important here? The sales copy. This is so critical because we spend a lot of time talking about the products. You got to create the products and everything, but really the OFA process is 2 complete processes. One for defining your frameworks and coming up with what those products are, but then another one for the sales copy, the headlines, the images you're going to use, all of that kind of stuff that's going to attract your dream customers. It's so important. And I think for some people, you might get lost a little bit here thinking, well, how can I write great sales copy? Follow all the stuff that they have in the One Funnel Away challenge, but just keep doing it. Like that's going to be the key, right? You're going to set up your beautiful page. It's going to take you hours and hours and hours, and you might not get any conversions, which is when people actually fill in their stuff, right? So you're going to have to change the headlines, tweak something, change the colors, change the images. You won't even know. That's the process that the most successful people do. They just keep doing it and doing it and doing it again and again and again until it clicks, okay? So create your sales page, the upsell page, your sales copy, answer your dream customers' questions, alleviate their concerns, deliver that solution. You're taking it one notch up in value to the done with you product. Your work summary for today is to create your upsell page. It's your script. You're going to record a video or an audio, whatever you've decided to do. You're going to have your script content, all the details for the page. It's going to take you some time, go through it, work on it, and look at the additional videos. Look at what Jim Edwards talks about when he covers how to use the OTO script, and just keep going through the process, keep moving forward. Your result at the end of the day today is page 2 of 4 in your sales funnel. So you're moving along, halfway point of OFA, halfway point of your sales funnel, okay? So page 2 of 4 in your sales funnel. And so everything you've completed today is now around the last couple of days, your one-time offer, your done with you products, the actual products themselves, and the page where you're going to be selling. Shouldn't cost you anything extra to create that page. You're already in ClickFunnels using your 14-day free trial. Just go ahead and create the page. And let me show you the example I want to show you is from a different product from mine, from Guest Podcasting. I have this masterclass. I showed this to you, I think, yesterday. So this is a complete mirror of model of what Russell is teaching in terms of how to set something like this up. I've got the bonuses. It's a course. I've just filled in all the copy, came up with the types of headlines or titles for the copy following the funnel scripts examples. Include, all the bonuses are free, and then this is within ClickFunnels. So all the dream customer has to do is click yes or no, and they will have that product added to their order. So that is what I'm doing on the traditional information product example that I've been showing you. And as I mentioned, for the affiliate products, I'm just going into ClickBank, looking for affiliate products that are related to romance, and that's what I'm going to use, and I'll show you what that looks like in a couple of days. So I'm going to look for 3 different affiliate products that I'm going to put on the upsell page. And there's different ways to manage this. If you're doing affiliate products, what you're doing is you're putting in your affiliate link, which is going to send your dream customer somewhere else. So you won't actually have that information. So if you want the information that they actually went and got that affiliate product, you're going to have to add some kind of bonuses and incentives, like send me your receipt and I'll give you access to, and then it'd be another set of products. And that way you're going to know who purchased the affiliate product. Otherwise, you just won't know. You can do it both ways, right? It's great to know because, of course, you want to know who your dream customers are and who the people are who are purchasing products on your advice. But you might just want to collect affiliate income and not care about who actually purchases it, so that you wouldn't have this. So I'm going to set that up, and then I will show that to you in a couple of days what that looks like. All right. Any questions? Reach out, email, or on the social medias. Let me know questions, concerns, issues, and how I can help you get you halfway through the One Funnel Away challenge. Just keep moving forward. This is the process you need to get you up and running with your online business. And I can't wait to see what you do and what it looks like as we get through the second half of the program. All right, I'll see you in the next day.